Your eyes are freezing? Is that what you said? Hi! Good morning! And that's yeah, that's Judy. Say hi, Judy.
Where did Judy
Go.
Where did Judy go?
You're first.
Oh, is it filming?
Yeah.
Oh, it's been filming.
You silly goosey.
Where did Judy go?
I don't know where she went.
I think she went to her friends.
You there? You think she went to her friends?
Why don't we stop?
I don't know why we stopped. We didn't want her to run over you. Did we?
That way.
I know. I'm just following Azure right now.
Those chickens are silent. Film the chickens!
Hi, chicken.
I will later.
Whee!
Okay, so bike ride video, sparkler video, and the talking video, the food video. Save it for later.
For who? What's
You
to?
were like talking, and then I'm like, save it for
What's
later.
today's date?
September 14th, 2013.
Yep.
Just kidding, 2013. Just kidding. I said that in the last one, but
Eat my chocolate. Eat my chocolate all.
You did. Good job.
Oh wait, do I still have chocolate in my teeth?
Nope. Come on, let's go ahead and take our ride.
We didn't brush our teeth.
I'm coming!
We're gonna brush our teeth after we have our chocolate.
Hi, Turn.
Azure, are you gonna go on the path?
Yeah, but you said we weren't going to. Okay, let's go.
No, we are going to.
Turn around.
You don't want to what?
I don't want to go this way.
Good. Oh. Maybe you're gonna say that. I don't want cobwebs in my hair.
Well, we've already been around twice, so they're all broken. Is this fun, Zara? You like it? Are your eyes still cold? Uh-oh, you caught a stick, didn't we? You got another leaf? Yep. No, it didn't hurt me either. Whoopsie.
Hi, chicken.
I keep running over walnuts.
I know.
It's scary. Oh, I thought that was the road. I'm like,
I can still see them.
They are. It's almost the end of summer. What comes after summer?
favorite part. Yeah, I love that shit.
Fall, when all the leaves fall off. And then after all the leaves fall off the trees, Then comes winter. And that's when it's not. Yeah, exactly. It's going to be snowing and we can build snowmen. Yeah. Cool. Hi, camera.
Hi, camera. Bye, camera. The following was presented by
Azure Brooks.
Azure Brooks, Michael Brooks, Sarah Brooks.